What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable all Windows updates temporarily on your PC. If you want to stop Windows from updating automatically, there's a simple way to do it. First, search for Services in your Start menu and hit Enter. This will open the Services window, where you can manage various system functions. Scroll down the list or press the W key on your keyboard to quickly locate the Windows update. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Startup Type section, change the setting to Disabled, and then click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, right-click on Windows Update again and select Stop. This will immediately disable Windows updates indefinitely. If at any point you want to re-enable Windows updates, simply go back to the Services window, find Windows Update, right-click on it and select Start. You may also want to change the startup type back to automatic to ensure updates resume normally when you restart your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.